This is the Amazon Alexa Voice Remote Pro, which is one of the top-selling remote controls on the market. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the Alexa Voice Remote Pro, as well as how it compares to other remote controls. When it comes to convenience, ease of use, and comfort, I think it's really good. It has a cool Find My Remote feature. Just say Find My Remote to any Amazon device with Alexa, an Alexa built-in device, the Alexa app, or Fire TV app. And the remote's built-in speaker will ring so you can find it right away. No more searching for the remote. The Alexa Voice Remote Pro has integrated TV controls so you can control the power, the volume, and browse live TV all from this one remote. The voice control is so convenient. Just press a button to ask Alexa to find your shows, open apps, manage volume, and even control compatible smart home devices. It has motion activation backlighting, which is great for when the room is kind of dark, and 2 customizable shortcut buttons, so you can just set them to your favorite channels, apps, or any Alexa commands. The Alexa Voice Remote Pro is geared to Fire TV products. It's compatible with most Fire TV streaming media players, Amazon Fire TV smart TVs, and smart TVs with Fire TV built in. It's easy to see why the Alexa Voice Remote Pro is so popular. It's super convenient and an overall fantastic choice for anyone using a Fire TV product.